Okay, we're ready.
Okay.
So please introduce yourself, the name, your company name,
Yes.
and your company.
So my name is Alfred Lamp. I'm from Rumble. And to quickly introduce Rumble, Rumble is an international engineering consultancy company with over 13,000 employees worldwide, with I would say 300 offices or more than 300 offices. And we're divided in multidisciplinary segments. We're doing buildings, we're doing urban design, architecture, water, environmental health, transport, buildings, and also energy. And I mentioned it to last because I'm part of the energy, and within energy we have this oil and gas, and I'm part of oil and gas. And as you can see here on my, I'm heading the so-called onshore plants department, and within the onshore plants department we're also doing LNG.
Okay, perfect. Well, next question. What is the competitive advantage of LNG in comparison to other fuels?
Well, I think it's a good question. I think we have to compare LNG with its peers, which means other fossil fuels. And I think the biggest advantage of LNG is nowadays that it's the cleanest fossil fuel. And it helps to actually to reduce greenhouse emissions, to help the environment, and also then is against global warming. And well, I think that's a very, very big advantage.
Okay, perfect. Next question. How do EU fuel regulations change the face of the LNG industry?
Oh, wow. I'm pretty sure you're referring here to the, I think it's called EU Directive 33, or Fuel Sulfur Directive, and it stipulates a maximum amount of sulfur content in marine fuels. And I think it's very, very beneficial for LNG because in the recent years to come, marine fuels are limited to 0.5% sulfur, and LNG will meet these requirements. And this is from European Union perspective. If you take a broader aspect, there's also the IMO regulations, which are set also for 2020. And in conclusion, it will mean that LNG will replace other fuels which are currently favored by the shipping industry or by the marine oil industry.
Okay, great. Next question. So, what future do you predict for LNG?
It will remain challenging, I guess. Of course, the future looks optimistic in my point of view. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. Otherwise, we wouldn't be looking at LNG. I think there's a couple of challenges ahead. LNG will diversify a little bit more. We have seen the tendency towards small scale to tailor-made solutions. And especially when we look at this conference, we see that we have a lot of things about bunkering and transportation. And I think in the next years to come, I think that will remain the topic of the LNG industry.
Okay, and just one more question. So, what is your opinion on the organization of the International LNG Conference?
I think it's quite good. I've seen a lot of people I want to talk to. I've seen a lot of people which I liaise with, and I believe it's quite a good conference. And I'm looking forward to the next conference next year in, I don't know, where is it?
Malta.
In Malta. All right.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.